Short on time? You got this. The Cordless BLACK+DECKER Power Series Extreme holds up to its name. Its triple cleaning system tackles dirt, dust, and debris across tile, hardwood, and carpet. With extreme hair pickup from an anti-tangle brush bar. 3 cleaning features, 1 extreme performance. The BLACK+DECKER Power Series Extreme with triple cleaning system.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them. My cleaning day? It should be every day. What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Linx Cordless Stick Vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Linx Cordless Stick Vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.